Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, after some, how to put this, piss takes by our favourite people, Temu. Yeah, explanations probably in some previous videos, but we've had one main parcel which we all were looking forward to receiving. That hasn't come, but we've ordered other stuff which has come. So yeah, let's see what we got. So here it is, guys. There's a parcel and a tired, stressed out looking Scooter Sue and the tired, stressed out Mike. But he's smiling. Yeah, he's fighting through it.
Right, I'll open it for you then, Mark.
Yeah, Mike will open it. He might have to run off in a minute because he has got some pizza in the oven. I'm going to watch him. First out of the box is this thing. What? It's Mike's eye mask, which were for his fancy dress costume, funnily enough.
So we'll put it so he's got it for next year.
Matching.
Just for the costume compass.
Yeah.
Oh, one of the colouring books I've ordered. I'm going to see how good this is.
Pulling that down a little bit, Mike, because I can't see what you're doing.
I'll try to get it out first. So it's yeah, it's two colouring books, I think. I don't know. Hang on. I'm going to try to get them out the
Yeah, but I
packaging.
can't see what you're doing.
Yeah, bring it down a tiny little bit. Just the analog stick.
Is that one?
Yeah,
No, not working.
there we are. So that's one. So if you don't know me, I love me cars, I love colouring, and I love drifting. So drifting colouring book, got like tons of good pages, like drift cars. Like, looks pretty cool. Then I imagine the other ones potentially going to be the same.
What, the same book?
Yeah. I mean, probably different, but hey ho.
Yeah, different class.
Right. Next up, we've got some clothing. Hoping this is what I've ordered correctly. I hope it is. Anyhow, it is a Benny Don Crazy Marcus Hawaiian shirt.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I was trying to decide on what colours I could go with because I didn't really know what colour to have. What?
Upside down on your sleeve.
Oh, don't worry too much.
Backwards, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it is.
Is it backwards all over?
No, it's forwards on some ones and backwards on me one sleeve.
It's just on the arm.
Yeah, don't matter too much, it's still nice. I'm trying to remember what I've ordered. Yeah. Next up is something I've been looking forward to. I want to see how these look.
Right.
I know, yeah.
It is the official Benny Don Crazy Marcus Christmas hat. Logo is a bit small on them, but they don't look too bad, damn.
Let's have a look if they
At least
fit.
it's on the red and not on the
Yeah.
white. Oh,
A bit small, mate.
Pass it here. You've got a big head.
You've got a bigger head.
kinda smallish, but still pretty cool. Can you see that, guys? Got loads of hair in my eyes. Pretty good. Could have done with them being bigger, like, but hey ho, he says. Got like a few of them in the bag.
Maybe we can stretch it.
Maybe we can stretch
I
it.
love the way it falls.
Got another shirt.
Don't forget about the pizzas.
Yeah, don't forget.
yet.
Oh,
Right,
right. Another shirt, Hawaiian shirt. It's a Christmas Hawaiian shirt.
Ooh, that's
That is cool.
That's nice, huh?
With like Santa sunbathing.
cool. I
That
like
is well cool. I love that. That's going to be coming out at Christmas.
Rushing through these a bit.
Yeah, 'cause you're rushing through us. Me Lego Baby Yoda for the Christmas figure. Nice, I'll build that later.
And last but not least,
Last but not least is some sort of box thing.
something in a box, Marcus.
Which
could
I
it
can't
be?
open. I'll do it like that.
It rips it.
Oh, I know what it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's fragile.
You're right. Good deal.
It's a sheet of Benetton Crazy Marcus stickers.
It's a couple of sheets of Benetton
Yeah.
Crazy Marcus stickers.
How cool are they? I've always wanted my own stickers as well, 'cause you always do see all the other TikTokers and YouTubers going around like sticking stickers, advertising them selves all over Benetton. Right now I'm gonna try build me Baby Yoda Christmas figure, 'cause I love collecting like Lego minifigs, 'cause they're so awesome. Hang on, all tiny like little bits of plastic and all that. Right, so
I'll build that up after tonight.
I'll build it up now quickly. Oh, I've putting his head on upside down. Because I want to like show people then. Jesus Christ, tiny ass bits like,
No instructions.
no, just like, guess out the building, I guess. I'll take his head off first.
No sign of my parcel yet, though,
Yeah,
Marcus.
no sign of Mike's parcel or
The missing one.
the missing one or our other parcels. Anyway, I'll love and leave you here, so thanks for watching, guys. Let us know what you thought of our products and I'll see you next time. Adios.